Hey, and welcome to Ahrefs monthly product updates. We have 17 updates to introduce this month. Let's start with Brand Radar, which now tracks YouTube. There's a new video visibility section and a full YouTube index, so you can see exactly where your brand shows up across high traffic videos. Scan titles, descriptions, and transcripts, and surface only the snippets that matter. TikTok is coming soon. Video visibility is available for free on all paid plans during beta. Next, a clearer read on brand health. Overview now has a brand performance chart that puts mentions, citations, impressions, and AI share of voice in one view. This way, you get a faster sense of whether your visibility is growing, flattening, or slipping, all without jumping between reports. Over in web pages, this new historical chart makes it easier to investigate patterns. It now respects all filters in the report, so you can slice trends by URL, platform, or time frame. Next, when creating a report in Brand Radar, you can attach it to an existing project. We auto-populate brand and competitors with AI. Access stays consistent because reports inherit the permissions of their project. And finally, the first Brand Radar API endpoint is out. You can now pull impressions data programmatically with the same filters you use in the UI and feed AI visibility into your dashboards or models without manual exports. Link to API docs below. Moving on to Web Analytics. We now support custom event properties. With them, you can attach extra details to any tracked event like product plan, variant, category, and size, anything you need to segment by. This matters because it lets you break one event into meaningful slices. Once you start attaching properties through the tracking script, CSS classes, or JavaScript API, you can add them as widgets in the Event Properties report, or use them as filters to segment other reports. Link to help documentation below. Moving on to Report Builder. A few upgrades this month. First up, Site Explorer keyword widgets now support new filters: intents, position, SERP features, and URL. Use this to shape your keyword reports with far more control. You can also add reports to folders to keep things organized, and duplicate individual widgets to move faster when building layouts. Full report duplication is coming next. Moving on to AI Content Helper. You can now export documents straight to Google Docs, with formatting intact. It's single document export for now. Let's switch gears to Site Explorer. Paid Pages 3.0 now includes ads. You can see how many ads each page appears in, view those ads directly, and filter by them. This makes it easier to understand how competitors are spending and which pages they're pushing hardest. Okay, time for site audit updates. Bulk AI detection in site audit is now built in. We compute AI content levels during crawls, and the overview includes a pie chart showing your site's AI content distribution. Click into that chart or use Page Explorer filters to list all the pages by AI content level, spot pages where AI content has changed, and monitor AI usage on competitor sites alongside traffic and rankings. Clicking any score opens the URL details view with highlighted AI-detected text, so you can see exactly what triggered the score. Full functionality is available with a max project boost. Users on paid plans get a small free demo each crawl. Patches have also got an upgrade. In addition to existing patches for meta titles and meta descriptions, you can now patch more complex SEO issues like change canonical URLs, add new redirects, or even publish internal link opportunities straight to your website, all by yourself. Canonical URLs, redirects, and robot tags require Cloudflare deployment for publishing, and link opportunities can be published either via JavaScript snippet or Cloudflare. Moving on to Keywords Explorer. You can now filter keyword ideas by language within any location. This is especially useful for markets with multi-language audiences. For example, here we're filtering for expat queries in Japan from people looking up to open a bank account. Similarly, you can now also exclude sensitive categories. Use this new filter to remove keywords tagged as adult, violence, drugs, vulgar, and so on. Moving on to GSC reports. There's a new site structure report that mirrors its Site Explorer counterpart. See each section of your website in a tree-like format and how each contributes to your website's organic performance. Standard plans and above get the full structure, while starter and live plans can view the top-level sections. Next, we've added a keywords history graph in the GSC Keywords report. By default, the graph shows the top 5, but you can add any keyword. Just type it in or pull it in from the table. In comparison mode, current and previous periods display side by side, so spotting gains and drops becomes much easier. Okay, next up, Social Media Manager. Here's some improvements aimed at planning and publishing social media posts smoother. The new Schedule view shows you a clean overview of all the upcoming posts across every connected account. Toggle between compact and detailed post listings to scan drafts and schedule posts at a glance. Filter by author is useful for multi-member teams to see who's posting what. And last but not least, paste images directly into the editor. The upload will happen instantly. Moving on to our general updates. Log in faster and safer with passkeys. Just add a passkey from your account settings to log into Ahrefs without typing an email or password. Your browser, password manager, or hardware key handles authentication, so there's nothing to remember and nothing to expose. Most platforms sync passkeys automatically through iCloud Keychain or Google Password Manager, so once you create one, it's available across all your devices. On to our last update. There's a new API usage report in account settings that gives you a clear log of every API request in your workspace. You can view all API calls in one place, see whether a request came from API version 3, MCP or Ahrefs Connect, filter by scope, token or user, and check charts for request volume and unit consumption. History starts from around October 14th, but going forward, this gives teams clean, reliable visibility into how their API units are being used. And we are done for today. If you have any feature requests, you can leave them on our Canny page. See you in the next update and have a great day!